Ground beef lumpia. Ingredients: 2 pounds ground beef, 1 small head cabbage shredded or bag of coleslaw, 1 carrot cut into matchsticks, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 onion chopped, 5 minced garlic cloves, lumpia wrapper, avocado oil for frying. Add oil to pan. Sauté onions and minced garlic. Add ground beef. Sear until browned. Add salt and pepper. Blot out the oil or drain the oil. Add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Add carrots and shredded cabbage or a bag of coleslaw. Cool filling before wrapping. After the filling is cooled down, wrap lumpia. My husband did all the wrapping. Fry lumpia 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Oil temperature 350 to 375 degrees. Thanks for watching.